guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to film a quick tutorial. I'm going to do 6 products in 6 minutes. I've seen this going around on Instagram. There's a few people trying it, so I thought why not give it a go. I'm sure it will be a bit of fun. I'm going to use 2 eyeshadow sticks for the tutorial. It's really classed as one product because it's the same product, it's just 2 different shades. So that could be cheating, but I'll let you decide. Why is it whenever I'm about to start a tutorial, somebody knocks at the door? So as I was saying, I've got my sunscreen and primer on in one. Now it's really hot here in the UK, so I've got all the windows open. So if it gets really loud, I do apologise. Normally I would stop and wait for vehicles to disappear, but as I'm going to do this on a timer, I'm going to allow the vehicles to get in the way. I'm going to set timer and I'm going to talk you through what I'm doing. So I'm going to set my timer for 6 minutes. So the foundation I'm using today is the NARS Light Reflecting Foundation. I'm going to get that straight on. The shade I'm using is M2.5. I don't know if any of you guys have tried this. It's really nice. I don't tend to use it, mainly because I find anything that's light reflecting I dislike naturally because I'm oily, so I normally avoid it. But this one's really nice. Can't really say I've given it too much of a go to give you a proper review of it, but I should give it another try. I'm going to take that over my lids to neutralise because I don't really know what I'm going to do yet. So press that in. This is a sort of damp beauty sponge. It was damp this morning. 1 minute in. Zila, this one is the Even Better by Clinique. Just put a little bit on. Just going to go straight in with my sponge for this because it's quick at blending it out. Right, moving on. I'm going to use the VIEVE eye wand in Hazelnut. I'm going to take that over the entire lid. I'm going to do one eye at a time because these are incredible when they set. And you've got a little working time, so it's better off doing one eye at a time. I'm just going to take that underneath. Two minutes gone, not doing too bad. Over. This feels like when Tommy's like, "Are we going?" And I'm like, "I've only just sat down to do my makeup." I feel the need to rush. Eye wands are brilliant for things like this because they're cream. They blend like a dream, so you make doing makeup really quick. Then I'm going to take this shade Espresso, run that along my waterline. And then blend that in with my finger underneath and along the outer edge on the top. Use your finger to blend. In a little bit more just on the outer edge. Blend that in. And then blend it upwards so it just lifts a little bit. Mascara, this one is the Lancome Monsieur Big. I'm actually going to, afterwards, just pop some lashes on, which is a cheat. But when you do a dark eye, you kind of need lashings of mascara. And I only have 2 minutes left, so it's not going to happen. Who knows? So just let that kind of set. Oh, I've got it on my nose. The So Contour stick around the hairline, up the sides of the face, a little bit down the sides of the nose. Using my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe brush to bounce that into the skin. I'm definitely going to need to powder with this foundation, so it might have to be 7 products. It would probably set nicely outside of this lighting, but we are in studio lighting and it's not very forgiving. Ooh. Bounce, 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 bounce. How long have we got? 1 minute. I've got the Honest Beauty cream blush in the shade Peony Pink. So bounce that on, dust it off of your brush so you haven't got too much on. Press it in with your sponge. Powder. I'm just going to use it on my lips. How long we got? 18 seconds. Let's get some more mascara on. Let's have a look. It's not too bad for 6 minutes. It's definitely not my best work. So just little tiny out with your fingers. It's not too bad. It's not too bad for 6 minutes. If you was in a rush to go out somewhere and you needed a bit of a smoky eye, it's not too bad. I've seen a lot of people doing this with like very natural makeup, which is much more achievable, but I wanted to quickly do a little bit of a smoky eye just to see if we could do it. I'd leave the house like this. This is all right. This is not too bad. 6 minutes is a push. That is a real push. It's not too bad. I'm not too mad at it. I think it's actually all right. What do you guys think? Let me know what you thought in the comment section below. I want to hear your thoughts. The great thing about the eye ones is that, as you can see, you've got time to kind of maneuver them with your fingers. You can blend it with a brush. Once it's in place though, it does not move. If you missed my short, go check it out, because I did a swatch on my arm of the nude shades that are available, and then I do a swatch at the end, and they do not move. Like, you really have to sort of, you can see the skin moving, pushing my finger down to make any kind of movement in the product. They're so good. Come follow me outside of YouTube over on Instagram, where I'm most active. If you've got any suggestions for tutorials, leave them in the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye guys.